Hey everyone, welcome back to our learning adventure. I'm Sanisha, your guide in the world of letters and sounds. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our fun learning journey. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the letter B. Now, let's jump right into the letter B. This is how it looks, and the sound it makes is buh. Can you say it with me? Buh, buh, excellent. Our first adventure with B takes us to the world of sports. B is for ball. Let's grab our crayons and draw a big, bouncy ball together. Remember to add some vibrant colors to make it pop. B for ball. B is for ball. Fantastic job. Next stop, the letter B brings us to the streets. B is for bus. Grab your coloring tools again, and let's draw a busy bus. What colors will you choose for the bus? Let your creativity shine. Now what you learned today, B for bus, B for bus. Good. Now, let's float up into the sky because B is for balloon. Grab your paper and colors, and let's draw a beautiful balloon together. Imagine the colors soaring high in the sky, breathtaking, right? B for balloon, B for balloon. That was our journey with the letter B, for ball, bus, and balloon. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more exciting learning adventures.